New Google AI update is insane. Google just dropped something massive, and most people have no idea it happened. Free AI video, no subscription, no expensive software, just your Google account. I'm going to show you exactly what changed, what you can do with it right now, and why this is a big deal for anyone trying to grow a business or create content with AI. Plus, I'll show you a real example of how to use this to promote your brand in minutes. Let's go. Okay, so here's what just happened. Google updated Google Vids, and the update is actually huge. Up until this week, if you wanted to generate AI video inside Google Vids, you had to be on a paid workspace plan. That meant a subscription, that meant a cost, that meant most people just never touched it. But Google just flipped the switch. Now anyone with a basic Google account gets 10 free video generations per month inside Google Vids using VO 3.1. That's their most advanced video model, and it's free. Let that land for a second. You've got a Gmail account, that's all you need. Go to vids.new right now, and you can start generating real, high-quality AI video clips straight from a text prompt or a photo. No credit card, no subscription, nothing. Now, before I show you how to actually use this, let me explain what VO 3.1 actually is, because this model is serious. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop one below and let him know you're watching. VO 3.1 is Google DeepMind's flagship AI video model. It was released in October 2025. It generates 8-second video clips up to 1080p, and it does something most other AI video tools still can't. It generates synchronized audio. That means dialogue, sound effects, ambient sound, all built directly into the video, not added on, not stitched in, generated alongside the video from the same prompt. That's a massive deal because most AI video tools still require you to handle audio separately. With VO 3.1, you type a prompt, you get a video, and it already sounds like a video. And now that's sitting inside Google Vids for free. Here's what else just got added in this update. And this is where it gets really interesting for people who want to use AI to grow a business. Google also added Directable AI avatars inside Google Vids. So instead of a talking head that just sits there and speaks, you can now direct your avatar, you can put them in a scene, you can have them interact with a product, hold up a prop, stand in front of a custom background. You control how they look, you control what they wear, you can swap outfits, change the scene, keep their voice and identity the same the whole way through. This is a massive shift for anyone making tutorial content, product videos, or social content without a full production team. That's exactly the kind of thing we help people do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Use AI to create content, attract customers, and automate the work that used to take a team. If you want to learn how to use tools like Google Vids and VO 3.1 to actually grow your business, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to do that. The link is in the comment and description. And if you're on a Google AI Pro or Ultra plan, you get even more. You get access to Luria 3, which is Google's AI music model. So you can generate original background music for your videos, custom to the mood you need, no royalty issues, no licensing headaches. Just describe the vibe and Luria generates a track for you. Now, here's how I'd use all of this right now if I were trying to grow a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. Imagine you want a promo video, you don't have a film crew, you don't have a studio, you don't have a budget. Here's what you do. You open Google Vids at vids.new, you type a prompt, something like a professional entrepreneur standing confidently in a modern workspace, speaking directly to camera with the text AI Profit Boardroom on screen behind them, background music that feels motivating and clean, bright cinematic lighting, and VO 3.1 generates that clip for you in seconds for free. Then you can layer in your avatar, add your voiceover, customize the scene. Now let me walk you through the different tiers so you know exactly where you stand. If you have a free Google account, you get 10 video generations per month. That's 10 clips using VO 3.1 inside Google Vids at no cost. For most people starting out, that's plenty to test, learn, and start creating. If you're on Google AI Pro, you get more generations, you get access to Luria 3 for custom music, and you get the full avatar customization tools. And if you're on Google AI Ultra or Workspace AI Ultra, you get up to 1,000 VO video generations per month. That's not a typo, 1,000. That's enough to build an entire content operation inside one platform. And here's another thing they added that I think a lot of people will sleep on. Google added a Chrome extension for screen recording directly inside Vids. So now you can record your screen, combine it with AI-generated clips, and publish directly to YouTube without ever leaving the Google ecosystem. That's a full content workflow built into tools most people already use. Now let me talk about why this matters beyond just the cool factor. Either you were paying for tools like Sora or Runway, or you were paying for a production team, or you were paying for freelancers. The barrier to create video content was high. And that meant a lot of businesses, especially smaller ones, just skipped it. Google just removed that barrier for free with one of the most advanced video models on the planet. And here's the thing most people miss. This isn't just about making videos. This is about what happens when every small business, every content creator, every educator, every community builder suddenly has access to the same quality of video production that used to cost thousands. The game changes. The businesses that figure out how to use this first, how to create more content, better content, faster, those are the businesses that win the next few years. That's what we talk about every single day inside the AI Profit Boardroom. How do you use AI automation to actually grow your business, get more customers, and do more in less time? Tools like Google Vids and VO 3.1 are exactly what we dig into. Real tools, real use cases, no fluff. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to vids.new. Sign in with your Google account, start a new project, type a prompt, something like a short promotional clip for an AI automation community, showing a business owner discovering how AI saves them time, cinematic lighting, upbeat energy, text overlay that says AI changes everything. See what VO 3.1 generates. It's free. You've got nothing to lose. Experiment with different prompts. Try image to video, upload a photo of your product, your workspace, your logo, and let VO 3.1 animate it into a clip. Try combining it with the avatar feature if you're on a paid plan. See how fast you can put together something that actually looks professional. So let's recap what just happened. Google just made AI video generation free for everyone. You get 10 clips a month using VO 3.1 inside Google Vids. No subscription needed, just your Google account. The videos are high quality, up to 1080p with synchronized audio built in. You can turn a text prompt into a video clip. You can turn a photo into a moving scene. You can direct AI avatars, customize how they look, put them in different scenes, and keep their voice consistent throughout. If you're on a paid plan, you get custom AI music through Luria 3 and up to 1,000 video generations a month. There's a Chrome extension for screen recording, and you can publish straight to YouTube without leaving Google's ecosystem. This is a complete content creation workflow inside tools you already have, and most of it is free right now. The only question is whether you're going to use it or watch everyone else get ahead while you wait. Look, AI is moving fast. Every single week there is something new, something bigger, something that changes how content gets made, how businesses grow, how people work, and the people who win are not the ones who wait and watch. They are the ones who jump in early, learn fast, and start using these tools before everyone else catches up. Google Vids with VO 3.1 is one of those moments. It is free, it is powerful, and is available right now. So stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is today. That is it for this video. If you got value from this, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you are not already, because we drop the latest AI updates every single week, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. And share this with one person who needs to know about this. One business owner, one creator, one friend who is still doing everything the hard way. Send it to them. It might just change how they work forever. See you in the next one. And when you're ready to take this further, to go from experimenting with AI tools to actually building systems that grow your business, that's where the AI Profit Boardroom comes in. We're helping business owners use AI automation to attract more customers, create more content, and run leaner operations. If you're serious about using AI as a real growth tool, come join us. And one more thing before I go, if you want access to the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community with over 38,000 members who are using AI every day to get ahead. You'll get the full notes from this video, access to templates, workflows, and a community of people who are actually doing this stuff. The link is in the comments and the description. Go check it out.